We're here on St. Simon's Island at Southern Soul BBQ. We've been here almost 17 years. I grew up watching my dad cook on a little bitty kettle, and he just used whatever. I mean, he made the rub right out of the cabinet or whatever he could get, you know, and then it was just a beautiful long day of cooking barbecue with my dad, and then it always ended at like 10 o'clock. Always late. For me, to be honest about my flavors, I cooked all day, and then my son would come in and we would eat, and then if he didn't like it, then it was I had it all written down in a book, you know, and then I would move on to something else, and it just got sweeter and sweeter and sweeter because all I was trying to do was get the kids to like it. The staples that we do every day, what I cook the most of would be ribs and pork butts, and then that would be brisket. I cook a lot of brisket, and then half chickens, turkey, and chicken wings and sausage. It all comes from here. Everything we do comes from here. You've seen the work that goes into it. It takes us 2 hours to split wood. It takes us, you know, all night to cook pork. It takes us all night to cook everything. There's no gas, it's all wood. These guys that are cooking for me have been here for 10 years. It's a labor of love, you know, cook all night and watch people enjoy it when they pull up.